Hey guys, welcome back to WPL. So finally we have a C54 kit version over here after waited for like over a year. So let's unbox it. This is the kit version. So that's the C54 body shell as usual in white color. Then your roof rack. These are the body parts, the bumpers for example. And this is the axle and the servo case, the axle shaft. And this is the sport bumper for the sport version. So C54 kit, there's only the sport version. And your wheels and tires. Linkages in a plastic material and a shock absorber as well. And grease, your servo. And the metal frame rail in a black color now. And then your plastic axle truss and also the screws. And more screws, obviously. And the manual in English. Alright, so if you're interested, you can click the link over here or check out the link in the description. And we have an official C54 group as well, other than the official WPL group. So come hang out with us here and I'll see you over there. Bye!